The VW Passat from 2015 to 2021 models uses a split-case key fob. To open it, first ensure the fob is turned off to avoid accidental triggering. Protect the case by placing it on a soft cloth on a flat surface to prevent scratches. Carefully insert a plastic pry tool or guitar pick into the seam between the two halves of the fob. Apply gentle pressure to release the clips holding the case together. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches. Work your way around the entire seam until the case is open. Some models may have adhesive. Apply slight heat to the seam if needed. Be careful not to use excessive force that could damage internal components. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's polarity. The positive plus side is usually facing up. Gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the correct polarity. Align the fob's halves and snap them back together until all clips are secure. Test the fob by pressing the buttons to ensure it functions correctly. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery polarity and ensure the battery is seated correctly. Remember, DIY battery replacement can save you money, but if you're uncomfortable, seek professional help to avoid damaging the fob's electronics.